Yeah. Question is, how long can you relish in my eloquence? Inherited, deep within my skin is all this melanin, a felony. How they try and tell me I'm a terrorist, this therapy for any heretic who push this heresy. Let it be, I'm a thoroughbred, just check my pedigree. Eventually, precedents you set could make us enemies. I'm friendly, but you push the patience that is left in me, and lately what I'm sensing just ain't been impressing me. Secondly, I might second guess what your intentions is. I message you, don't mind me, I could be a little pessimist. Several incidents that's left my head up in a twist, got me feeling bitter like I bit into a lemon, and the taste has stuck around for longer than expected. And I ain't gonna lie, I feel a bit neglected, except when I fly and then randomly selected. That's about the only time where I feel I'm represented. Like,
excuse me sir, first things first, we won't be long, just need to do a search. Could you lose them shoes and then remove that shirt, just to assure the safety of all who roam this earth? And can we see your bags? And can we check your pass? And can you set your hands where I can see them, thanks? This ain't a joke sir, can you please not laugh, or we'll have to send you on the next flight back.
Damn, this the best welcome I've ever had, ever since I made my first trip back to the village of my ancestors. Just let it fester still, cause you inherited more than just what your grandpa willed. They say I'm dressed to kill, but I've been blessed with skill, and as the tempo builds, I cannot help but feel that I was meant for this. Yeah, I was sent for this, just to help instill a little tenderness for every brother in the struggle, grinding on they hustle. Every sister facing trouble, trying to keep her head covered. Every kid that gets made fun of cause his pops rocks a turban. Refugees who feel a burden despite what they have suffered. So let me share a sentiment, few thoughts as I just reminisce. I often question whether it's result of our own decadence. This grave lack of intelligence has now become so prevalent, cause I've encountered several knuckleheads in my presence.
Like, excuse me mate, quick question, why do you wear that dress and that thing that's on your head then? I must say I find it a bit offensive that you've come to my country and been selective about what you accept and what you neglect here. I actually think your perspective is disrespectful, and with all that said that's going against you, I can't help but be a bit suspectful as I slowly come to resent you.
Yeah, well I still work like you, serve like you. My troubles ain't no different, I still hurt like you. Yeah, I breathe like you, have needs like you, and find myself in a struggle with this greed like you. If I slip and graze my knees, I still bleed like you. And if I sense I'm in danger, I'ma flee like you. And so I try to lay this seed, make real my roots, and try to show my lineage can be free like you.